Welcome to Stock Coney. In today's video, we will understand one of the most powerful and popular technical indicators in the stock market, the golden crossover. More importantly, we will not just learn the concept, but we will also analyze two real charts so that you understand how to identify a strong golden crossover and how to avoid a weak one. Let's begin. What is a golden crossover? A golden crossover happens when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. This crossover indicates that short-term momentum has turned positive, and the long-term trend is changing from bearish to bullish. The logic is very simple. The 50-day moving average represents the short-term view of traders. The 200-day moving average represents the long-term view of investors. When the short-term line moves above the long-term line, it signals that buying pressure is increasing and the probability of an uptrend becomes high. However, not all golden crossovers lead to trending moves. Some are strong and reliable. Some are weak and easily fail. Therefore, understanding the difference is very important. Example of a strong golden crossover. Let us look at the first example, Sun Pharma. Here is what we see on the chart. 1. The 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average with a clear upward slope. This means momentum is strong. 2. The price is trading far above both the moving averages. This is extremely important because it confirms that the market has accepted the bullish trend. 3. The stock is forming higher highs and higher lows, which is the basic structure of an uptrend. 4. There is strength in the candles and consistent volume. This indicates institutional buying. 5. After the crossover, the stock continued to rally without falling back below the moving averages. This is the ideal behavior after a golden crossover, and this is what a successful trend reversal looks like. In simple words, Sun Pharma is the correct example of how a golden crossover should behave. Example of a weak golden crossover is Godrej Properties. Technically, this stock also shows a golden crossover. The 50-day moving average has crossed above the 200-day moving average. However, this is a weak golden crossover, and here is why. 1. The crossover angle is flat and not sharp. This shows weak momentum. 2. The price is trading below both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. This means the market has not accepted the bullish direction. 3. The long-term moving average is still sloping downward. So the bigger trend is still bearish. 4. There is no strong follow-through buying after the crossover. Price has not made higher highs. 5. The stock is moving sideways, which often causes the crossover to fail. This example teaches an important lesson. A golden crossover alone is not a buy signal. It needs price confirmation, volume support, and trend structure to become reliable. If you want me to create more educational videos like this, including death cross, RSI divergence, or breakout trading, comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching Stock Coney.